Hello guys, welcome to a brand new video on daily tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to teach you some easy steps on how you can fix your login error on the Anchor application. Now there are three methods which you can use to do that. The first and the simplest method is to find the Anchor application on your device, and once you see its icon, long press on it like this and then click on the uninstall button. After you click on the uninstall button, go to Play Store and reinstall it into your device by searching for Anchor, and once it pops up, simply click on the install button. Now the second method is to check for updates, and as you can see I am on the Play Store page of Anchor and there is this open button on my screen. However, if your Anchor application is not up to date, a update button will appear. So if you see the update button, go ahead and click on it and install all the updates. Now, if that method also did not work for you, don't worry, I have another method in store for you. Now, for this method, you will have to go to the settings on your phone. After you click on settings, you will be on this menu. Now, on this menu, simply find this apps option. After you find this apps option, you will be on this menu. Now on this menu on the top of your screen, you'll see this all apps option. Go ahead and click on it. Once you click on all apps, all the applications on your device will be shown. Now in this list, simply find the Anchor application and click on it. After you do that, this screen will appear on your screen. Now on this screen, simply click on this force stop option on the right hand side of your screen and then click on OK. Now after that you will have to clear all the extra storage and cache of Anchor. Now to do that, find the storage and cache option here and then click on it. Once you click on it, you will be redirected to another page. Now on this page on the right hand side, you will see this clear cache option. Go ahead and click on it, and after that all the excess data will be deleted from your device and your application will be running smoothly. I hope this video helped you to fix your login error on Anchor. Don't forget to like, share and comment on the video, and do subscribe to the channel for more such amazing tutorials. Thank you for watching.